Hi, this is Glenda, and today I'm making a soap that is going to be inspired by the fragrance. I do need to weigh my oils. I need about, let me see, 61 ounces, and this is from my master batch. And there is about 70 ounces here, so I know that I'm gonna pour most of it. Okay, 61.40. Okay, 0.40 of an ounce is not too bad. It'll just give me a little extra super fat. So there are my oils, and I did prepare the light water ahead, maybe about an hour or two ago. I'm going to take the temperatures. So oils are at 93. And light water is at 102. I'm going to put on my mask. And you know the drill. I'm going to add the light water to the oils and blend. Before I do that, let me show you the fragrance I'm using is Aqua di Gio. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Type. It's a men's cologne smelling like fragrance. And because I don't know if you can see here, but it's like a picture of a guy, and like he's in a pool. There's water in the backdrop, and aqua is water, and so I'm putting the colors on this one are gonna be like water oriented. But let me blend this first to emulsion. Okay, looks well blended. Some people say that tallow slows trace. To me, that doesn't happen. To me, tallow accelerates trace. Not the soap, just the trace. Okay, so watercolors that I will be using are these three. First is white titanium dioxide that has just been blended with water. Let me give it a quick stir. On the second place, we have sea green mica powder from Nurture Soap. And in the third place is azure blue mica powder from Crafter's Choice. Into that, I added some Klein blue mica, and the exact measurements are in the recipe, which I will put a link to in the description in case you want to look. And I'm just blending it with some safflower oil. Okay, so I'm going to split this into two other containers, but before I do that, I'm going to add the fragrance. It's supposed to behave well. We shall see. Now when I do, this is my first time using this fragrance. It smells like a men's cologne. I mean, because I think there is a perfume. Yeah, of course. It's called Type. I'm not going to do any embeds, because usually guys don't even care about that. Most guys, they just care that it smells good. And I'm going to do the titanium dioxide last, actually, because titanium dioxide may cause the soap batter to get thicker. So I'm going to pour it into a different container now, and I'm going to put the try to do layers. Well, that doesn't look like a layer. It looks like it all went together. Let me put this here. Okay, the idea is to pour it into a circular pattern, like so. So I'm going to do the layers again. This time I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to follow with that one, the teal. And last, I'm going to do the white. I need to work fast because I can see it's getting thicker, and I want this to be in a pourable shape. I'm going to make sure they all fill the bottom of it. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. And I'm just gonna repeat with the last of it. Put all of the teal in here. To try to pour this. Oh, now this is a thicker pour. There we go. And just move it around to make sure that stays flat and distributed. Now I'm just gonna do the scraping. So I'm going to put the, whatever I see a concentration, say there is blue there, so I'm gonna put the teal on top of that, so that most of the bars have the same trio of colors. Alright, so I'm almost done. I still have some of the white. And at this point, it's no longer a pour, just more of a plop. So I will blend it in when I make it all even. Okay, so I'm not trying to make any patterns in here. I'm just gonna try to even it out. That sort of looks cool. I think it does look like water. It looks very cool. I said I didn't have any embeds, but I forgot I do. Because I'm going to be giving some to my nephews. Painting now. I like it. So anyway, I'm going to put embeds for the soaps that I'm going to gift to my nephews. This is an alligator. You scary. I do have some sea salt, so I figure it will go well with this thing. There's big chunks, so I think I'm just going to sprinkle them around with no rhyme or reason as to how. Okay, it's been about, let me think, 6, maybe 5 hours since I poured this. It looks, the bottom feels warm. However, the edges, it's not on this side it was a clean release. This is a semi-clean release. Seems to be releasing easy. So the one edge is soft. The soap's going through gel right now. It feels warm at the bottom. But with this recipe, I need to cut it soon. Otherwise, it crumbles. So I'm going to mark where I need to cut it and go from there. looks like cotton cake.